Hello, today we are going to make Rakhi for your brother. For this we need some threads. You can use wool, some pearl, that's it. Okay, first of all we will take 3 portion of thread of any color of your choice. Now bring them together and leaving some space, knot all 3 threads together. After giving it knot, we will paste these threads with the help of some cello tape on any area. Just paste them and see how it works. We will take the center thread and we will put the pearls inside this thread. Put all the pearls that you want. You can take any pearl of your choice. You can use white pearls or any stones of your choice. After putting all the stones in this center thread, we will paste this center thread here as well with the help of cello tape. Now after pasting this center thread with the cello tape, we will take this first one thread and we will put our fingers like this and we will fold this thread inside this and we will do the same step with this thread. We will hold this thread like this and we will turn this thread out of white thread and we will leave this. Repeat this step for the more 2 times. Just put this thread from white thread, from center thread. Same again, we will repeat this step. Now after this we will take our first stone and we will keep it here. Now we will repeat the same step by holding stone from one finger. We will take this thread, we will put this thread inside the center thread and by the corner we will do this step from this thread as well. Now repeat this step for one more time. Now take your second pearl and we will repeat this step again from right side as well as from left side. In this way, one by one, we will take our pearls and we will knot our pearls within this thread. After putting all the pearls inside this, we will repeat these steps for the 3 times. Now third time and the last time. Now take it out. And then again give a knot from this side. And now cut the thread as per your requirement. So our cute Rakhi is ready. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.